Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we're diving into something a lot of people find confusing: the stock market. If you've ever wondered what the stock market is or how it works, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's break it down and make it easy to understand. So what is the stock market? Think of it as a giant marketplace where people buy and sell pieces of companies called shares. When you own a share, you own a small part of that company. Companies sell shares to raise money, and we as investors buy them in the hopes that the company will grow, and the value of those shares will increase. Simple, right? Now, how does the stock market actually work? When you want to buy a stock, you're buying it from someone who wants to sell, and when you sell, you're selling to someone who wants to buy. It's kind of like a giant auction. If a lot of people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. If more people are trying to sell, the price goes down, and that's why stock prices can change so quickly. Before we go further, let's quickly go over some basic terms you should know. Shares are the units of ownership in a company. Stock exchanges are the platforms where buying and selling happens. You might have heard of the NYSE or NASDAQ. Those are two of the biggest exchanges. A bull market is when prices are going up, and a bear market is when they're going down. Dividends are payments some companies make to shareholders, kind of like a thank you for investing. And lastly, market capitalization is the total value of a company's shares, basically how big a company is in the stock market. Now, why do stock prices change? Well, a lot of things can cause the price to go up or down. Sometimes it's news about the company, like whether they're making a profit or not. Other times it's bigger factors like the economy or even global events. Investors are constantly reacting to new information, which is why prices move all the time. So how can you start investing in stocks? The good news is it's easier than ever. There are plenty of online platforms that let you buy stocks with just a few clicks. The key is to start small and invest regularly. Over time, your investments can grow thanks to something called compounding, where your money makes more money. And here's a pro tip: don't try to time the market. Even the experts don't know exactly when prices will go up or down. Instead, focus on long-term growth. The stock market has historically gone up over time, so patience pays off. All right, that's a basic rundown of the stock market. It might seem complicated at first, but once you break it down, it's actually pretty straightforward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little help understanding the stock market. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll try to answer them in our next video. Thanks for watching and happy investing.